Exchange rates play a crucial role in international trade. They determine how much one country's currency is worth compared to another. Even small changes in exchange rates can strongly affect exports, imports, and overall economic growth. An exchange rate is the price of one currency in terms of another. For example, if $1 equals 280 Pakistani rupees, this rate decides how expensive or cheap foreign goods become for buyers and sellers. When a country's currency becomes weaker, its exports become cheaper for foreign buyers. This increases international demand and helps local become stronger and sales may decrease.
When a country's currency becomes weaker, its exports become cheaper for foreign buyers. This increases international demand and helps local industries grow. However, when the currency becomes stronger, exports become more expensive and sales may decrease.
A weaker currency makes imports more expensive. This reduces the purchase of foreign goods and encourages people to buy local products. On the other hand, a stronger currency makes imports cheaper, increasing consumer purchasing power. The trade balance is the difference between exports and imports. A weaker currency usually improves the trade balance by increasing exports and reducing imports. A stronger currency may worsen the trade balance by doing the opposite. Exchange rates also affect inflation. When a currency weakens, imported goods and raw materials become more expensive. This raises production costs and pushes prices higher, reducing people's purchasing power. Businesses involved in international trade face risks due to exchange rate fluctuations. To protect themselves, they use methods such as hedging, forward contracts, and currency diversification.
Governments and central banks influence exchange rates through interest rates, foreign reserves, and monetary policies. Their goal is to maintain stability and protect trade competitiveness.
Exchange rates are a powerful force in international trade. They influence exports, imports, inflation, and business decisions. A stable and well-managed exchange rate helps promote balanced trade and long-term economic growth.